The trend toward tiny houses on wheels, TOWS, has crystallized into a significant cultural and architectural movement, perfectly summarized by the vision of joyful, mobile living coupled with exquisite design. This lifestyle inherently links one's personal fulfillment to unrestricted movement, economic independence, and a fierce commitment to deliberate minimalism. For a growing number of individuals, the motivation to embrace tiny living goes beyond simple necessity. It is primarily driven by a powerful desire to dismantle the financial burdens and emotional complexities associated with conventional property ownership. The pursuit of personal happiness, therefore, acts as the foundational blueprint for this entire form of architecture. These highly compact, transportable sanctuaries empower their inhabitants to literally migrate to picturesque locations, allowing them to situate their dwelling against an ever-shifting backdrop of breathtaking scenery, from the serene expanse of a coastline to the rugged majesty of a mountain retreat, effectively transforming their permanent address into a personalized, perpetual getaway. The inherent ability to relocate is the paramount source of the joy derived from these structures, affording owners an extraordinary degree of flexibility and spontaneous adventure that a stationary foundation could never rival. The magnificent aesthetic quality demonstrated by contemporary tiny houses on wheels definitively asserts that true opulence stems from ingenious engineering and high-level sophistication, not sheer volume. These modern SOWs bear little resemblance to the cramped, purely functional trailers of the past. They are instead masterworks of precise spatial economy and visual harmony. Designers employ exceptional architectural acumen to maximize the sense of internal space and the penetration of natural illumination. This is often achieved through aspirational features that evoke a five-star accommodation. Think dramatic cathedral ceilings, sweeping banks of oversized glazing, and unique artistic touches such as antique stained glass inlays or rich, exotic lumber. The degree of detailed craftsmanship is exceptional. For example, a home inspired by Balinese architecture might utilize carved teak wood and tropical textiles to cultivate an interior that feels like a tranquil, jungle-style retreat, haven that can effortlessly transition to new geographical settings. Complex residential needs, such as full, chef-ready kitchens, luxury walk-in showers, or even cleverly integrated outdoor amenities like swivel-out sinks, are flawlessly incorporated using hidden, modular, and multifunctional components, thereby unequivocally proving that embracing a small footprint does not require any compromise on comfort or personal style. The result of this meticulous and curated build process is a residence that actively promotes both visual delight and psychological serenity. The core value proposition of the tiny house on wheels, the elevated enjoyment of everyday living, is rooted firmly in the freedom from material excess and the psychological uplift of living mindfully. Embracing this mode of life requires a deliberate and rigorous commitment to the principle of less is better, compelling residents to retain only those belongings that hold deep personal value or essential function. This conscious choice to live without clutter directly translates into a significantly reduced cognitive load, minimal maintenance obligations, and most importantly, a substantial surplus of time and personal energy available for passions like exploring, pursuing hobbies, or strengthening their bond with the natural world. For those with a spirit of adventure, the THOW grants an unrivaled sense of self-determination and flexibility. The house transcends the role of mere shelter, becoming an active instrument of ongoing exploration, allowing owners to effortlessly chase better weather or seize new professional opportunities. Even in periods of stationary residency, these mobile homes are thoughtfully positioned on scenic plots of land where owners can maximize their habitable area with custom decks and carefully planned landscaping, effectively expanding their usable space. Ultimately, the tiny house on wheels stands as a powerful, elegant symbol of personal empowerment, offering a tangible, aesthetically rich, and profoundly versatile blueprint for anyone who believes that a life of happiness is best lived, unencumbered and perpetually open to new horizons. The exceptional beauty and finish consistently demonstrated by modern THOWs shatter the myth that true affluence is gauged by sheer size, proving instead that it is a product of clever engineering and exceptional aesthetic refinement. These contemporary mobile residences bear scant resemblance to the rudimentary, cramped caravans of previous decades,